Now let us see another question. Two glass bulbs of equal volume are connected by a narrow tube and filled with a gas at 0 degrees Celsius at a pressure of 76 centimeter of mercury. Right. Basically, these are two bulbs, right, and these are two connected. Initially, the pressure is P naught is equal to 76 centimeter of Hg, and both the volumes have the same volume. Both the bulbs have the same volume basically, and initially it was 0 degrees Celsius, and here also 0 degrees Celsius. Right. One of the bulbs is then placed in a melting ice. Now one of the bulbs is placed in a melting ice. This is the ice basically. So that means this temperature will be remaining at 0 degrees Celsius. Right. And the other is placed in a water bath maintained at 62 degrees Celsius. This becomes 62 degrees Celsius. Now it is asking what is the new value of the pressure inside the bulbs. The volume of the connecting tube is negligible. Right. Now again, what we see is that no gas is leaking out and no gas is coming in. So that means we can directly apply the concept that the number of moles will be it will remain the same. So basically, initially, if I talk about the number of moles, this would be equal to what? P naught, which is 76 centimeter, into what is the total volume for the gas available? It is 2V divided by what is the temperature? 273, right? And finally, if I talk about the number of moles, this would be equal to, finally, let us assume that the pressure inside is P, right, in both the bulbs, because obviously the pressure would be same because these two are connected. So in this one, the number of moles would be equal to P into V divided by of 273. This would be the number of moles in the first bulb, and in the second bulb it would be P into V divided by of 273 plus 62. So this would be equal to PV divided by 273 plus PV divided by of 335. Right. Now these two moles, this is N1 and this is also N2. Now N1 should be equal to N2. N1 is equals to N2. This implies that P naught into 2V divided by of 273. This would be equal to PV. I can take common 1 upon 273 plus 1 upon 335. Right. I can cut V and V from here. And if I solve this equation, I'll get that P into of 608 divided by of 273 into 335. This would be equal to, if I take P naught as 76 only, 76 into 2 divided by of 273, right? 273 will cancel out. So that means P would be equal to 76 into 2 divided by of 608 into 335. Now if you solve this, you'll get the value as 83.75, which will be nearly equals to 84 centimeter of Hg. So this is the answer basically, right? So again, the same concept was applied, which was conserving the number of moles it initially had and the number of moles which it finally had, right?